Chengdu Cryo-Push Medical Technology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of ice packs, cold compression wrap, cold therapy system, dual cryo compression system, heat and cold therapy system, vibrating foam roller, waterproof cast protector, alternating pressure mattress, heating pad. We are located in Chengdu with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. In addition, we have obtained ISO 13485 CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Oceania. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.